15 hours, I got a double drive down southbound 35. I got the hammer down, Detroit made 525, pushing my ass right down that line. And that smell of burning diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back out on the road. I got a full-grown creeping up on my tail, and I won't make bail in this small-town jail, no, not round here. I got the bird dog on radio, cranked gear, jamming lane, changing son of a bitch, you betcha, son. And that smell of burning diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back out on the road. Left the J with a handful of pills, and I won't quit till I hit the coop in Abilene. I'm almost there, there's just a few more miles. I'll make the drop and I'll turn and burn, I'm out of here. And that smell of burning diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back out on the road. Diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back